Welcome to another video. So today we have an interesting exponential equation. Given that 3 raised to power raised 3x minus 2 is equals to 8. So you're going to recall that when you have a raised to power n maybe minus n, then this follows the rule of indices, given that a raised to n, a raised to m. So the powers are subtracted, then the bases can be divided. So this what's gonna guide me, and this changes to 3 raised to power 3x divided by 3 raised to power 2 should be equals to 8. So of course that is my first approach. So if you're watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn your notification on, leave a comment with an alternative approach, and most importantly, you can share this video. At this stage, then it implies that I can cross multiply so that I end up with 3 raised to power 3x should be equals to 8 multiplied by 3 power 2. Nice. So then for me to remain with x, I'm going to introduce the logs or the natural log on both sides of that equation, so that I end up with the log of 3 raised to 3x should be equals to the log of course 8 multiplied by 3 squared. Next step, you can recall that wherever you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this can be expanded as the log of a plus the log of b. That is what we call basic algebra concepts involving exponential equations or indices. So this changes now to the log of 3 power 3x is equals to, of course, the log of 8 now plus the log of 3 squared. Well, this 3x can come down, and then 8 can be written as, I know that 8 is the same as 2 power 3. Then my equation now gonna change to 3x to the log of 3 is equals to the log of 2 power 3 plus the log of 3 power 2. Then of course the powers can come down. Now it's gonna end up with 3x to the log of 3 is equals to 3 to the log of 2 plus 2 to the log of 3. So well, for me to end up with x, remember I've been told to solve for the value of x, then I need to divide all through by the log of 3. So that I end up with 3x is equals to 3 to the log of 2 divided by the log of 3. Of course, plus on this side, it goes clearly that the log of 3 and the log of 3 gonna cancel. And then I'm gonna end up with 2. This can be further expanded, of course, as, so for me to remain with x, then I'm gonna divide all through by 3. So this side also by 3, so that I'm gonna end up with the value of x is equals to, if you are keen, this 3 and this 3 gonna cancel, and then this side it's gonna remain with this, and this goes, and then on this side I'll have the log of 2 divided by log of 3, of course, plus 2 all over 3, which implies that when I use the log, even if you recall, when you have the log of A divided by the log of B, then this can be resimplified under a single log as the log of A to the base B. Writing that at this stage, then final value of x becomes the log of 2 to the base 3 plus 2 over 3 as the required solution for our typical equation, which was saying that 3 raised to x, 3x minus 2 should be equals to 0. Let us go ahead and verify our equation. We had that 3 raised to power 3x minus 2 should be equals to 8. So well, wherever I have x, I'm going to substitute the whole of this. So I'm going to have 3 in bracket, the log of 2 to the base 3 plus 2 over 3. Of course, the whole of that is x minus 2 should be equals to 8. Now expanding this bracket, I'm going to have 3 raised to power 3 to the log of 2 base 3 multiplied by, of course, when you multiply 3 times 2 over 3, then 3 and 3 gonna cancel. Then I'm gonna get 2. Then outside here I have also minus 2. Of course, should give me 8. Then I know that positive 2 and negative 2 I'm gonna cancel, and then I'm gonna remain with, and then 3. I'm gonna remain with 3 raised to 3 to the log of 2 base 3 is equals to 8. 3 can come up now as 3 to the log of 2 power 3 base 3 is equals to 8. Then we call that wherever you have a raised to the log of b base a, then this and this are the base, then automatically the answer changes to b. So applying that here, I have 3. Then it goes without saying that the log and the log base 3 and base 3 gonna cancel, and then I'm gonna remain with 2 power 3 is equals to 8. 2 power 3 means if you take 2 times 2 times 2, and of course 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and then it goes without saying that my left hand side is equals to my right hand side. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching up to the end. Remember to subscribe, kindly subscribe, comment with an alternative approach, share this video, and most importantly, turn your notification on. Thank you.